Welcome to Garden Glow, where every small space has the potential to shine. In today's video, we're stepping outside into your front yard. No matter how small, this little patch of green can make a big first impression. From cozy seating corners to neat plant borders and playful pops of color, you'll see how simple ideas can completely transform your curb appeal. Watch how symmetry, textures, and greenery come together to create something truly welcoming. It's not just about looks, it's about creating a space that feels like you. From the very first step to your door, whether you're a minimalist or love a touch of charm, this front yard glow-up is full of easy inspiration to turn your space into something special, like what you see. Then give this video a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, soulful design ideas. We'll see you in the next Glow Blossom.